Hi, ako nga pala si Kit,
At ako nga pala si Lale.
mag-asawang empleyado na nag-uumpisa magnegosyo. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami. What's up everyone? Good day, great day. For today's video, dumating na yung 2 watches na in-order natin para sa mga next transaction natin. So, let's go! Actually guys, yung isa dito ay pre-order and yung isa ay in-order ko for stocks. So, we have here the Casio LTP V300G and MTP 1374D. Sobrang gaganda nito guys sa personal. Kung naghahanap kayo or gusto nyo mag-start na mag-collect ng watches na friendly budget, try a Casio watch. Super recommended ko yan. For now, review natin si LTP V300G. This is a 33mm diameter, chronograph series, white dial, and gold tone bezel. This watch is a pre-order sa atin ng one of my aunties sa office. So shout out to Auntie Giselle. Thank you very much po sa support. And for the price guys, binigay ko lang siya ng around 3,750 pesos. Inclusion na dito yung box, tags, papers, and warranty card. Great deal tayo dito guys kasi pre-order siya and dispose din agad sa stocks natin. Then di rin naman tayo napahiya sa quality ng watch. So there you have it guys, that's for today's video. Sa next episode, si MTP 1374D naman yung i-review natin. So paano? See you on the next episode. And lagi tatandaan, keep grinding and don't waste your time. Paalam!